bread, rice, noodles, pasta, fried egg, boiled egg, omelette, chicken, pork, beef, sausage, tofu, cheese, soup, sandwich, hamburger. In, on, under, in front of, behind, next to, between, near. Study supplies: pencil, pen, rubber, ruler, binder, backpack, stapler, paper clip, highlighter, scissors, glue, tape, protractor, compass, whiteboard, blackboard, notebook, marker, calculator, textbook. Interjections: oh, ah, wow, hurrah, alas, yo, hush, meh, phew, oh my god, yippee, ouch, shoes, sneakers, sandals, boots, slippers, heels, flats, loafers, ballet shoes, clogs, flip-flops, running shoes, hiking boots, spoon, fork, knife, whisk, spatula, tongs, ladle, peeler, can opener, rolling pin, colander, grater, cutting board, potato masher, ice cream scoop, pizza cutter.
Sink, faucet, bathtub, toilet, towel, plug, shower curtain, soap, liquid soap, toilet brush, plunger, toilet paper. Liquid terms: drip, flow, splash, puddle, leak, squeeze, overflow, soak, pour, dip, rinse, gush. Parts of a house: foundation, wall, roof, ceiling, floor, window, door, balcony, stairs, porch, basement, attic. Hand action verbs: to slap, to pinch, to punch, to flick, to tickle, to snap, to wave, to point, to grasp, to squeeze, to press, to clasp, to clap, to wag, to rub. A bar of chocolate, a batch of cakes, a bottle of milk, a bowl of rice, a bowl of soup, a box of cereal, a can of soda, a carton of milk, a cup of tea, a jar of honey, a glass of water, a loaf of bread, a slice of bread, a slice of pizza, a pile of cookies, a piece of cheese, coffee, croissant, fried eggs, omelette, toast, honey, cornflakes, yogurt, oatmeal, bagel, orange juice, jam, sandwich, pancakes, waffle, green tea, fold, bandage, crack, crumple, stretch, brush, squash, spill, roll, squeeze, pour, peel, lump, chandelier, ceiling light, floor lamp, table lamp, wall sconce, LED light, torch, flashlight, pendant light, spotlight, candle, neon light, floodlight, lantern.